Yeah guys, it's absolutely unbelievable. I've put up this Garvee live tent here in the back together with my wife in only 5 minutes. Of course, that's without using ground stakes like you would use normally at the beach, but that would be just another 2 or 3 minutes because we have these hooks here. We have these openings. That's really important. Yeah, that was super easy in only 5 minutes, even without reading an instructions manual. It was perfectly straightforward. Absolutely no obstacles. And it's even a little bit a windy day, as you can see. So the cover is a little bit moving here, but you can nicely secure it with the Velcro straps, also the large cords stakes into the ground. And we have a large strap set here, really nice solid cords, ground stakes. Apart from the cords, the set comes also with 4 solid bags with Velcro straps, so we can put them around the poles here and fill it up with rocks or sand to have some extra weight. And the set comes also with this really large, super solid, heavy-duty transportation and storage bag. What I really like here is that it's even a little bit larger than just the frame and the cover, so there's no struggle to put it back, unlike some other tents. And really everything is absolutely amazing quality. You can see really solid poles here, nice switches or release buttons here. But to put it up, we didn't have to use it. We have also these Velcro straps here everywhere, all the way around to secure the UV insulated and also waterproof cover nicely to the frame. It's even height adjustable in 3 different heights. Comes with these solid feet, very important, for example, in the sand, so it doesn't sink into the sand too deep. Comes also with the holes here for the ground stakes. Outside with a beautiful bright white, but inside with this really nice UV and heat protective coating. This is absolutely amazing. Definitely an awesome thing for at home, for the next party, for the beach, whatsoever. So this thing is absolutely amazing, beautiful, solid build. Yes, I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down a link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this tent, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.